Dropcontact in our n8n workflow. Simply click on try it for free. We simply need to get our API key and connect to our n8n account to continue to automate. Choose any Gmail. If you have multiple Gmail, you can get a multiple API key by creating it multiple times. Click on continue. Continue. Now the website is signing my account. Simply click on accept. Our account is successfully created on the Dropcontact. Now time to get our API key. So Dropcontact is a B2B contact service like professional. Okay, you choose professional email only. Let's continue with Google. Another time. Okay, if this not done, then we use business email to continue. Click on continue. Click on accept and see if I got error again. Dropcontact, please use a business or professional email. It asks for using a business or professional email. Click on I think I want to create an account on Dropcontact. I think it is not created. Let's create it again and see. Now our account is created. I think it is not. Let's try with the email. So let's go to this table and create an account on Dropcontact. If this not, then we use our business email to create. I simply copy the email. I simply click on create our account. This is our work email. Paste it and use that password. Click on create an account. Here you can see it can creating our account. We simply you may already have account play to this email. You still need to you may still need to click on email activation link. Okay, go back, close it, refresh it. I think this is not website is not working. So what thing I do, I need to use my business email. I forget. Let's try another email. Tabmail to create an account. Simply I use the first one. Simply click on tabmail.org. So this website is when it load an ad, then it can only show us Tabmail. That is the so it make money. Let's cross this and paste the Tabmail email. I need to log in my cPanel. I don't set up any forward to my Gmail. What thing I do? I click on change. This take a lot of time. I don't know. Let's try Tabmail. I think no one used that. I recently found that Tabmail is great. simply copy that, go back to our n8n, paste it, click on create an account. Here you can see it have also. You may already have account on this email. You still need to click on the email activation link. Click on beta.edu.perl, copy that, go back, and again I try to use. Click on create an account. I think it can solve the same error. I will meet you in next video. Account creation was not successful. Please try again. I can click on you may already have account.